Hello everyone, it's good to have you back on my channel. This is SassyHilda again. I'm glad to be here, and today I'm going to be making another tutorial. I'll be making two frames, and one would be a picture frame and the other one will be a canvas frame, and I'll be using them for my home decoration. I want you guys to stay tuned because this is really so interesting and I want you guys to enjoy it, learn from it and get inspired, and so you can also do things at home for yourself. So well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to subscribe. You're welcome to the squad, and all of you that are subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. Your support are very important, like I always say. Thank you, and I'll jump right into the tutorial, so stay tuned. For the first tutorial, we are going to be needing a frame, a scissors, some ribbons, a glue stick and a glue gun, a cover of a perfume, and a nail buffer. Here I have a picture I printed out from the internet, and I got inspired by Pinterest. I saw a lot of pictures of these perfume and I want to make a frame from this picture. So I'm just going to cut it out. Now that I've cut out the picture, we're going to place the frame and the picture will go inside. First I'll put the glass. So for the second tutorial, I basically did the same thing like I did in the first one. I had to print out the picture and then I cut it out carefully. And what I did after that was I placed it on top of the canvas and I started to trace it, and I made sure that it didn't make any mistake. So after I finished tracing it, what I did next was to use an E6000 glue that I got from Amazon and a small brush that I used to paint the glue. I used a small brush to paint the neck, the head, and the upper part of the body, and also the legs, because I had other plans for the tail. When I finished painting it, I started applying the glitter on top of the image. Once you're done with the application, you will need to let it stick for a bit and then clear out some excess glitter. And after that process is done, then you will have to prepare your table for the next step. At this point, we're going to start adding the feathers to the tail, and this is what's going to make it look really beautiful. So I will start applying it and putting different kind of layers. I made 3 different kind of layers. I made a black one, a golden one, and a white one. And then I placed another white little feather on top of it just to give it a little bit fluffy look. At the end of the whole thing, so I added a material on top of it just to tweak it a little bit to make it look more chic. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something from it. It was quite entertaining for me, and I'm glad I have these decorations for my wall. So thank you so much. Your comments are important, and your likes as well. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. Bye.